guys, make sure you watch this video to the end. We want to talk about an interesting topic. This topic is affecting marriages today big time. Husband and wife are finding it very difficult to make time for each other, and it's very, very wrong. What do you think?
Now wetin we need to, as in that one, making time for each other, don cause many things for families today.
I'm telling you, husband and wife, if una no dey do am, una start am today. As una dey watch this video, una put am into practice.
Of course.
We know say the world wey you dey live in. We are in a busy world right now. You are trying every day, struggling to make sure that you get something to take care of your family, your children, school fees, food in the house, other businesses and all the rest of them. But your partner, remember, let me give for example, remember that time we were on a date. Some marriages today, if you look into it, they have more fun during their dating period than when they are now married. Yes, I understand, because there is a lot of responsibilities now, okay? But remember, your wife, your husband is your number one priority in the marriage. It's your number one. It should be your number one primary goal. So always make time to do what? To stay together. If we are talking about making time to stay together, because of your work or whatever thing you are doing, you guys can maybe set a specific time, schedule time for it. Maybe once in a week, put time, twice in a week, once in a month, depends. But make sure that your schedule.
Even every day, you can kind of schedule time that you have to, maybe during afternoon, in the evening, go out there, play with your wife.
You see, why they talk this, it gets some families where we say the only time where husband and the wife they talk to each other at the time where we say they want to pay their children's school fees, or the time where the wife want ask her husband for money. The time when you want ask them for something where they different, but they no fit sit down like this.
Talk about things that is happening.
Some families don't have that kind of.
And do you know the worst part of it?
Yeah.
This is one of the things that bring division in family. Some families today. That time we say you don't used to get time with your partner. You don't get time with your husband or your wife. Don't be surprised. That time that you're depriving him or her, another person is likely there to give it to him or her.
Imagine.
How do you think that your husband can feel free and talk to another woman, as in talk about everything with another woman, but he cannot do that with you because there is no time.
So you have, both of you have to
that
play
time
that role.
That time that people have then when you back then when you are dating, that time is no more there. That love, that space is no more there.
This time around, you not complain about you don't have time, you are busy, you are work, your dish, your dance,
everything.
No, you are killing your marriage.
So
seriously,
you need to create time.
That back again. You can do things together with your husband. You can cook together with your husband.
You can wash plate too. No be only children they wash plate
together with your husband. It's fun. It's love.
All
okay,
these,
you can
lovely things
go
together.
on exercise. You can exercise with your husband.
Anything
you can travel together.
Anything that involves both of you doing it together.
Is very
just
important.
make time so that both of you be doing things together.
Very important.
It will build your love, trust.
Be very important. If you are missing a lot, if you are
not creating time, if you are not having enough time with your partner,
some families, the only time you feel hear them talk to their wife, maybe some of them, and they want to have sex. Don't worry, we'll get to that very soon. You understand? Because these things are if you look into marriage very well today, you find out that these are some of the things, you understand, that are causing separation, divorce, and no respect there.
Because of lack of time.
Because you are not paying attention to your partner, you don't even care, you are not having fun together. You understand? You don't even care about whether how you look going out there. You don't even care.
As in,
How you dress for much, you don't even care.
You cannot even praise your wife. You cannot even.
You're not even proud of.
Just like you cannot just tell her you're looking handsome.
No, you can't.
And wife cannot tell husband cannot tell the wife that you're looking beautiful. But unfortunately, or will I say fortunately, when they go out there, another person
praise them.
will praise them.
Imagine.
And sometimes they'll be feeling, hey, this person is admiring me. But
some marriages, some women, when they go to work, their colleagues appreciate them, give them more time to sit, to talk to them more than their husband at home. That is where cheating starts coming from, because from there you start saying, oh, this person is now showing me more love than my husband or my wife.
You start thinking about that person.
There is now a division of, that is how all these things get started. So from now, if you are not doing it, please
start doing it.
We are begging you, try as much as you can, schedule time for you and your spouse. It's gonna help you in your marriage. We love you so much and we appreciate.
And we want you to have a successful marriage.
Sure, yes.
We love you.
We love you so much. Follow our page. Hit that subscribe button so that anytime we drop more videos, YouTube gonna notify you. On your notification bell, like, comment, drop your comment, and make sure that you share this video.